Being afraid of the dentist means different things to different people. Maybe it's the thought that treatment will hurt, or that the sounds and smells bring back memories of bad experiences as a child. The good news is that more and more dentists understand their patients' fears. With a combination of kindness and gentleness, they can do a lot to make dental treatment stress-free. If you haven't seen a dentist for several years because of fear or anxiety, be reassured that you should find the experience more bearable nowadays. Most people who are scared of the dentist have bad memories from childhood of the smells and sounds of the surgery, says Karen. Modern dental surgeries are much friendlier environments, with flowers in the waiting room, art on the walls, a pleasant reception area and polite staff. It's altogether a gentler experience. Of course, you'll still have the smells and sounds of the dental surgery, but these are less noticeable than they used to be, with instruments hidden from sight and background music playing.